Hi my dear friends, we are about to do one unboxing video which is Hoco 2000 capacity, milliampere capacity power bank, and we will do unboxing video. Let's start it. This product actually I buy in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's take a look and figure out how it is. We have one paper inside. I was about to buy 10,000 capacity one, but I saw this one look like a good size, so I decided to take this one. Very shiny, good looking, not very thick, not very big. We have one digital also showing the how much amount is full or how much percent remain inside. So we have also for iPhone, we have this kind of plug, and we have Type-C, but it is a little hard to remove. No, okay. Now coming. I saw one product, it was very good, also have cable extension, but this one not have any extension, but two different adapter. Not they call cable, not adapter actually. Very good. One Type-C here, one USB type A or B or something, I don't know. Okay, thank you for watching. Here it is, the brand Hoco, and they have 4 output, 2 input, fully compatible, fast charging power bank, 22.5 watt, the output USB A, 20 watt USB C type C, 10 watt for iPhone, and USB type C cable 18 watt. Very good actually. 18 months warranty have. Yeah, like this, 20,000. Premium product it is written. Yeah, actually the material feeling good quality actually, shiny, as you see, little fingerprint coming out, but not problem.